Modern electronics often use special screws to hold them together, making it difficult to get inside if you don't have the right screwdriver. OWC has you covered though with our 72-piece advanced toolkit. This high-quality, affordable solution offers a variety of specialty drivers and components to make upgrades, repairs, and general maintenance a snap. Don't get stuck with the wrong tool again, and don't put up with devices that are seemingly impossible to get into. Our toolkit has the right tool for the job. Whether it's that special sized and shaped screwdriver, tools for opening smartphones, or even an anti-static wristband to help keep your electronics safe while working on them. And it's all easily accessible in a rugged nylon case. For all your DIY computer upgrades and maintenance, we have you covered with our 72-piece toolkit.